Hello, welcome back to the channel where we're all about helping you navigate through various tools and platforms. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to set up and use client portals on teamwork.com. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one, just go to teamwork.com and register. This is important because this is where you'll be managing your client portals, a platform that allows seamless collaboration between you and your clients. Now that we're logged in, look for the Projects tab on the left side of your dashboard. This is where you'll find all your projects and where you'll be creating your client portal. Click on it and select Add Project. Enter your project details and be sure to tick the Client Users Can Log In box. This is crucial because it grants access to your clients, giving them the ability to view and interact with the project. Next up, we'll be adding client users. To do this, navigate to the People tab within your project and click on Add People. Here, you can add your client's details and assign them to the project. The reason we do this is to ensure every relevant person is looped in, promoting transparency and efficient communication. Moving on, let's customize your client portal. Go back to your dashboard and under the Settings tab, select Client Portal. Here, you can tweak things like the logo, color scheme, and default language. Customizing your portal helps create a more personalized experience for your clients, aligning with your brand identity. Now, let's talk about using the client portal. Once you've set it up and added your clients, they'll receive an email with a unique link to their portal. They can then log in and view their project, leave comments, and upload files. This helps us because it streamlines communication and ensures all project-related information is in one place. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using a client portal on teamwork.com. Remember, this platform is designed to make your work life easier, so don't hesitate to explore and utilize all it has to offer. Thanks for joining today's guide, and see you in the next one.